What if I break a friend's trust? Yeah, I've been there. I thought I was doing something good, but I didn't tell my friends first. And when they found out, it hurt a lot. I wanted to hide, pretend it didn't happen, but that never really fixes anything. What I learned is that the only way to make things right is to own it. Say what happened, say you're sorry, and mean it. You can't rush forgiveness, but you can start rebuilding trust, one honest step at a time. When you mess up, it doesn't mean you're a bad friend. It means you've been given a chance to grow into a better one. Secrets build walls, but honesty builds bridges. And when you tell the truth, even shaking a little, that's when real friendship starts to come back. So, what's one thing you could do today to make things right with a friend? If you want to see what happened when I had to fix my mistake, check out the Companion Club. Rebekka Breaks the Rules. The link's in the description.